moments, we'd like to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737-700. To properly fasten your seatbelt, slide it flat in into the buckle. To release, lift up on the buckle and will release. Seatbelt should be worn tightly across the hips. Please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated. This aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, 2 rear exit doors. Location of each emergency exit is marked with a sign overhead lights on the floor of the LED exits. Safety information card may be found in your seat back pocket. Notice inside the card, in the event of a water evacuation, use a life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only when told to do so. Pull on the red strap, pull out the pouch, open the pouch, remove the vest, and place that vest over the top of your head. To attach, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, pull to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, inflate by pulling down on the red tab to manually inflate, blowing to the tube of your shoulder. Flight attendants will be passing through the cabin at this time to check to make sure those seatbelts are securely fastened, your seat back, and your tray tables are brought to their full upright and locked position. All carry-on items are stowed completely underneath the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet totally clear. This flight is a non-smoking flight. Smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes on board the aircraft is not permitted at any time. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with all lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions. I would like to brief you on the oxygen system. Although we do not anticipate a change in cabin pressure should one occur, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. Immediately pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully empty to activate flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. You may secure the mask with elastic straps. Please be aware the bag may not inflate even though you are receiving oxygen. For those of you traveling with children or someone that needs assistance, secure your mask first and assist that person. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by uniform crew member. Finally, sit back, relax, enjoy your flight to Phoenix. Flying time is an extremely short 1 hour and 10 minutes, gate to gate, and about 50 minutes in the air.